Introducing the F&P MyMask app. Support when it matters most. F&P MyMask is designed to help you fit, fine-tune, clean, and assemble your mask. Download today. Simply scan the QR code. Or search for F&P MyMask on the Apple App Store or Google Play. Scroll to select your mask and the size you need. F&P MyMask complements your healthcare provider's care. Step-by-step videos guide you through common tasks, giving you access to the information and support you need. Available for the following Fisher & Paykel masks. Download your copy now and build confidence on your journey towards better sleep.